So I was trying to play My Hero Ultra Rumble and I'm getting this error. What's really happening with the server error? The unexpected server error occurred returning to title screen to reconnect. And this error has been going on since a really long time. Talking about the latest update regarding what's really going on. I mean, many people are facing this bug, and what's really going on, guys, as of right now, as far as the latest details goes, does this maintenance schedule has concluded? Let me show you the tweet. What's really going on? Network disconnects and return to the title screen during login, matching and battles. Matchmakings are also taking longer than usual. If you got this error, do let me know into the comments down below. So this is a really important update. So server should be live, but as far as what many people are reporting, the servers are still not live. So what's the latest update from the game developers? Do they got any latest maintenance schedule? When they will be going to fix it? Today we have got all the details, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so let's check it out, all the details right from the Twitter official page for the My Hero Ultra Rumble MHR. Alright, so this issue has originally begun a few days earlier, where they have disclosed about this maintenance schedule on 29th of the September. This particular bug, glitch you may call it, has caused tons and tons of chaos into the game. The amount of the experience gained from the licenses at the end of the battles has been adjusted as per the 29th September update. Then right up to that, here you can see they have disclosed this maintenance right over here. The maintenance schedule will be conducted on 29th of September, and this is what we are talking about. And here's the thing, guys, this 29th of the September maintenance has scheduled until 11th UTC. Does this maintenance schedule has concluded? And definitely let me show you the tweet. What's really going on? In between, they have awarded one free character ticket to all the players, and then right after that they have done some kind of a changes to the game. But talking about the maintenance, here you can see what they are trying to do. Notice we are aware of the following network issues: network disconnects and return to the title screen during login, matching and battles. Matchmakings are also taking longer than usual, and they are currently investigating this issue and trying to fix it. This is as of 29th of the September. Let me show you, do they have concluded this maintenance or is it still really going on? I mean, it's a really long time. At this point, this should have been fixed. And right after that, here you see, guys, 29th of September, they have identified one more bug affecting PlayStation 4 users regarding rental tickets. If you got this error, do let me know into the comments down below. If you got any particular another kind of error, do let me know that as well. Let the community know. Now right after this update, let me show you what's the latest one. Here you can see, guys, this is the latest update as of September 30. So this is a really important update as of September 30. In this tweet, they are talking about the maintenance schedule which has been originally started on 30th of the September, and what they are talking about is that the maintenance that started at 16 on 30th of the September has finally finished. My Hero Ultra Rumble servers are finally live once again. Talking about the latest update regarding what's really going on. I mean, many people are facing this bug, and what's really going on, guys, as of right now, as far as the latest details goes, I have already showed you the latest update. Here you can see just 3 hours ago, this is the latest update. And regarding the maintenance which has started on 30th of September, which has been already finished as per their update, stay vigilant and keep eye out on any update. Then right after that, guys, there is no recent update. So you see they have released the maintenance schedule. So server should be live, but as far as what many people are reporting, the servers are still not live. Once I get any latest update right from the game developers, I'll keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.